ADHD test. If you put 5 fingers down, you have ADHD. Put a finger down if you leave things half open, like cabinets, drawers, or doors. Put a finger down if you've ever focused on something for hours and don't notice the time passing by. Put a finger down if you often forget things. Put a finger down if sometimes you just don't eat. Put a finger down if you've lost something important multiple times. Put a finger down if you have passions and hobbies, and then one day you just drop them. Put a finger down if you've ever annoyed the first person who pops up when you click share, then more. Put a finger down if you've ever looked for something that was in your hand.